Hi guys, my name is Nathan, and I was debating whether I should lie about why I quit my job. You know, it was to start my AI company, but what's my real goal here? I could just tell you what I'm building now, it'd be an easier sell, but my ambition goes way beyond that. I believe that in the near future, most jobs will be managerial. Everyone will have their own AI, a tool that handles all the heavy lifting, so people's expertise can be used to innovate instead of just keeping the wheels turning. I've been studying a lot, aiming to reinvent the way people work, and I've decided to go all in. So, what we are talking about? In a few weeks, we are launching an AI that will answer any questions from your customers or employees on your website or through messaging apps, because we're creating an AI able to understand your business. And over the course of the next months, we are launching a desktop app as a ChatGPT on steroids. As this AI knows how your company operates, now it can automate process in Excel, Power BI, email, documents, and even your browser. And this, not opening multiple chats or trying to explain every little detail. This AI has a secure access to your computer and key APIs, so it learns from your routine by seeing your screen and through some unique algorithms I've been developing. But that's just the first and second step. I could stop here and say Wozy is just that, but it's not. The real goal of Wozy is to become the best AI infrastructure for the corporate world. And what it means? It means that each company will have its own cloud of solutions and automations, many of which can be shared and enhanced in a marketplace. When someone wants to solve a business problem, the first thing they'll do is check if it's already solved within Wozy's platform. Then, companies will have their activities more integrated than ever before. Projects that used to take years because of cultural shifts will happen in weeks. Wozy will be the glue between ideas and results. I have a dream and a major engineering breakthrough. I spent the last 3 years carving my own path, solving business problems for a multi-billion-dollar company in Brazil. My passion for solving problems brilliantly led me to work alongside some of the top supply chain leaders in that company, even at a young age. Now, I need other passionate people to join me in chasing this bigger dream. I need engineers, advisors, investors, and people willing to test the product when it goes live. I know I can't do this alone. So send an email to nathan@wozy.ai if you want to be part of this journey. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, follow the company on LinkedIn and subscribe to this channel to stay updated on how we are progressing. Thank you so much.